I just made 3,000 cities in a week from TikTok, and I'm gonna show you how I came up with the idea, how I went viral with it, and how I was able to withdraw it to my mobile money. First off, you got to know how to make money off TikTok, and it's from the creativity program. Let me show you how. What is the TikTok creativity program, you may ask? It's basically a program where TikTok pays you per 1,000 views for a minute-long video, just the way like YouTube does. You get what I'm saying? Mad bread, bro. Now that you know what the creativity program is, let me show you what you need to do to join the program. First off, you gotta be 18 years old. No underage here. You need to have 100k views in the past 30 days and 10,000 followers to be able to join the program. That easy, that simple, and you can make that in like 2 weeks, bro, if the content is good. And I'm gonna show you how you kind of do that. Now, don't hear these numbers and then start thinking, damn, bro, that's a lot. Like, I can't do this. It's pretty simple to think about. Like, it's pretty simple to achieve when you think about it. TikTok, you get the followers very easy, bro. Yeah, so if you watched my last video, which was like a long ass time ago, I'm so sorry, it's been a minute. You notice that I joined the program and then I got kicked out for buying followers. So please don't buy followers. It is not advisable. You can't outsmart the system. You have to do that organically. And also, if you want to know where the TikTok creativity program is, basically open your TikTok, go to your TikTok studio, and then go to monetization. You should see the TikTok creativity program there. If it's not there, which means your TikTok is in a country that is not supported, but don't fret. I'm gonna show you the country that it's available in, and then how you can get into the program, even if you're not in any of those countries. Like me, I'm in Ghana, but I'm still in the program. I'm gonna show you real quick. If you're in Ghana, you can't join because it's only available in the UK, the US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, and North Korea. Hey, I said North Korea. Your goal is to set up the TikTok account in any of these countries that it's available in, because when you start getting views from those countries, that's when you get paid. When you get views from another country that is not supported, you don't get paid. Secondly, you have to be consistent and keep tweaking stuff to make your content better, because that's when you have a higher chance of going viral, hitting the 100k views and then the 10k followers target very easily and very quickly. So now that you know your goals, you want to target any country that has the creativity program available, right? We'll be going with the UK because they don't ask for tax information and stuff when you're trying to withdraw your money. Got it. And then now to target the UK, you need an iPhone, because an Android, I tried that shit, didn't really work for me. It was still the same bullshit. You need an iPhone and a VPN. Very important. These two things are very important. So when you get an iPhone, it can be any year model. You reset it, like factory reset, crap, everything gone. And then when you are setting it up again, you set it up in the UK. So you change the country to the UK, language to the UK English, keyboard to the UK English, time and date to the UK, and then you turn off your location services. If you leave it on, TikTok can still figure out where you are, even though you're using a VPN and shit. So you turn off your location services and then you're good to go. So after you're done setting it up, first thing you download is a VPN. After you download the VPN, put it at always on, so that once you connect to the internet, the VPN comes on straight up, and then set the country that when it comes on to London or to the UK, any country in the UK. Right? After you have done that, now you go and then you download TikTok. When you download TikTok and you're signing up, you should get the UK number code over there. When you see +44, then you know you have done it right. If you haven't seen it like that, then you know you're fucked up. Then you restart it. You can restart as many times as you want. So now you want to set up the account. Setting up the account, I'll advise you not use it now. If you have a UK number, sure, you can use it. But then if you don't have a UK number, I'll advise you use an email to sign up for the account. And then the best one you can use is Outlook, because you can recreate and recreate. Or with Gmail, will be associated with your Ghanaian phone number, and then maybe TikTok will figure it out or something. You're trying to leave no trace that you live in Ghana. Like, do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, when you set up the account with your Outlook mail, then now you're good to go. Now the next step is to warm up the account. And then warming up the account is just basically you using the account like a normal human being, so that it doesn't get flagged that you're a bot. You get what I'm saying? If you get flagged that you're a bot, when you start posting, you'll be getting 0 views, and that is very frustrating. So you warm up the account for a bit, use it for like 4 to 5 days. I like to use it for like a week, sometimes maybe 2, just to engage with the content. And then when you're engaging with the content, engage with content that is in your niche, because I heard a rumor that whenever you're posting, TikTok shows your videos to the audience that watches the type of videos you watch. So if you want to start doing edits, you engage with edit content, so your FYP is just edits. That's when you know that you have a higher chance of going viral. If you want to do other stuff too, you can do other stuff, but make sure your FYP is in the niche that you want to post. Do you get what I'm saying? So to how I got to go viral, I was just scrolling to my personal TikTok, looking through the content that I enjoy, right? And then I came across this account that posts like roast of animals, right? And then it was so funny to me.
This is the shittiest dog breed. The goddamn Chihuahua. This ain't no damn pet. This is a scrawny ass dumbbell that thinks it runs the entire goddamn planet.
And I was like, I can recreate this. It doesn't take a long time to do. There's less competition, and then it's so funny. Like, it's really engaging, right? And I was like, you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna I'ma do it. So I created a new account, and my new account was based on that. And then when I was optimizing my new account, I was optimizing the animal niche, and then I just started posting. So when I started posting, I was getting like low views, like 200, sometimes 0 views, 20, like it was very low. And I didn't get it because the account was optimized in the animals and pet niche. Until I went to my FYP to investigate, like to do more again. And I realized that even though it's in the animal and pets niche, I didn't really broaden it like that. So my FYP was mostly horse videos, right? So I got an idea and I was like, why don't I just try it with horses? Because there's no one doing horses, right? And then when I tried it with horses, literally my first video had like 400k views, which is insane. And then I just started going, reposting, like doing the same thing. And I started going viral. And then 2 weeks later, we were in a program. It literally took me 2 weeks to go from like 200 or 100 followers to 10k, which is insane. And I'm currently at, I think, 18.3k at the time of recording, right? So now that I am in a program and I have started posting and I've started making money from my videos, how do you withdraw the money from your TikTok account into your mobile money account? The UK TikTok pays into a UK bank account. So you need a UK bank account. You get what I'm saying? And to get a UK bank account, so far I know 2 websites that provide this kind of services. That is Grey and Wise. But with Wise, you can withdraw from your UK bank account to your mobile money. You can withdraw from your UK bank account to your Ghanaian bank account. But setting up Wise right now, they don't give the services to Ghanaians. So setting up Wise is a little tricky right now. So I will advise you to go with Grey. And with Grey, they offer you a UK bank account, a US bank account, and a Canadian bank account with a US virtual card that you can use to make like payments in the US and the UK, like Amazon US and stuff like that. Yeah. Now, with that being said, once you have set up your Grey account and then gotten your UK bank account, they'll give you a proof of address that you can use later on TikTok, and it will get accepted. And they'll give you the sort code and everything that like makes the whole thing so easy. So after you have done that, and then you have gotten paid into your UK bank account, you can simply just withdraw from your UK bank account, click on mobile money, put your number in there, and then it will be in your mobile money like 10 to 15 minutes. And they charge about $2 to $10 per transaction, depending on the amount, right? The time of recording has been 2 months now, and then that particular month, I made £158, which was around like $217. Got paid on the 15th, and then yeah, it felt so fucking good. It felt really unreal because I literally just wake up, click a few buttons, post, and I'm making 3k. Do you know how insane that is? But then yeah, the following months haven't really been that good. Like it's been gone to shit because I'm not really consistent with it. I don't know, after I made the first 3k in the first month, I got lazy. I'm looking to get back into it and then yeah, start making more fucking bread. Right now I have accounts. I think I've scaled, and then I have 2 more accounts in the program right now. So you see how it goes. I'm looking to start a 4th one. You see how it goes. Yeah, with that being said, this is to tell you that being consistent will always get you to your goal, right? So just when you start, just stay with it, stay flexy, and then stay consistent with it, bro. When you stay consistent with it, one day, you surely gonna hit it. And then don't do the same thing over and over. Like learn, tweak shit, make it more funny, add your personality, and then you are good. Interact with people. That's all that matters. This is basically like the best side hustle you could ever do because there's 0 upfront cost. I mean, literally everybody literally has an iPhone, so you just have to sacrifice your data for money. Got it? And then it's like it literally doesn't take a lot of work. Once you get a skill going, literally will take you like 15 to 10 minutes to make the content, and then you're making fucking bread. But then that being said, we'll see how it goes the following month. I'm trying to expand, I'm trying to go. There's more content coming, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing rest of your day, and